Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video I want to talk about restoring the lights. Now I'm not sure if it's going to be restored fully. I did do a video earlier, and I did it really quick with Mother's Magnum aluminum polish, and so it wasn't nothing really major, but it did clear up the lens quite a bit. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to use the Cerakote headlight restoration kit. No, this is not a sponsored review or a sponsored video, but we're just gonna go ahead and do it. So now what I did was basically use all the wipes. You might as well just use all the wipes. See how it looks right after that. Now the next step will be using the red disc. It'll look like this. You have a few discs here, but this is the roughest. This is what you're going to be using. Of course, before you go ahead and do that, make sure you dry your headlight. Make sure you got yourself a spray bottle. I added a little bit of soap. You might have to take the pad off this handle. Do it in circular motion, keeping it wet for 2 to 3 minutes. Your headlight will look something like that. Repeat the same for the other side. Right, now you're going to go ahead and do the same process with the gray one and the water bottle. Same thing, squirting on the headlight, circular motion, 2 to 3 minutes. This is after the 2 to 3 minutes using the gray pad. That's how it looks, just the sanding. Repeat the process for the other side. Next step, just make sure your headlights are dry, and we can go ahead and open the Cerakote. So go ahead and open your ceramic clear coating, and this one you're going to use both of them eventually, but you're going to start from the top and do a horizontal like this and do a 50% overlapping technique like that. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and get our second wipe, and we're going to repeat the same process. Now mind you, once you're done with this, do not drive the car for a while, like an hour or so. That way it can cure properly. Do not wet the headlight either. Just basically keep it out of the elements. Now for this light, I remember same process, just as you're doing this, keep it on a 50% overlap. Make sure you get everything. And now you just let it cure. All right, so there you have it. That is the end result. Now it is already getting dark, and by the time these cure, it will be dark. So what I'm going to do is we will get some pictures of this in the morning and some pictures right now just in case. You can see it worked really nice, and I was just using the kit, not using anything else on the lights. Now mind you, unfortunately, so previously I did use Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. All right guys, so check that out. Wow, what a difference. And these lights were like really beat up. Now unfortunately this one does have some condensation, but look at that, it worked guys. I mean, this headlight, this one specifically, was really shot. I honestly didn't think it was going to get fixed, but I mean, look at it, it looks good minus that condensation. Like I said, it will, once it's out, once it's dry for sure. What I'm going to do is just put that tape around it, and more than likely I will be removing the light, so stay tuned for that video. That concludes the video on today's product. Thank you.